Did they tell you why they were sent home?
No, I didn't talk to them.
They asked the butler in the night. We sent away some boys who had phones in the school too, and they mobilized and they destroyed some.
So after getting one who had the phone and other students straight.
That's what I'm telling you. They were like, we cannot expel that boy. And phones, when we are called to the phone in the school, we have to go. So we cannot remain in that situation. We have sent them home.
Until when? When are they coming back?
The board has first sit and decide. You don't just send some people and call them back. It is not as simple as that. The organs of the school have to sit and decide.
Okay.